friends. I'm Suraj Nirwan, and today I'm going to teach you how to get rid of health problems while playing tabla. There are about four problems that most of the tabla players around the globe face while playing tabla. The first one is musculoskeletal disorders. It means pain in the lower back, pain in the neck, and pain in the shoulders, and also cervical problems in advanced stages. So, to avoid this problem, I suggest to sit straight while playing tabla. Your backbone should be straight, your neck should be straight, and when you are playing tabla, I've seen many tabla players in raising their shoulders and raising their elbows like this and applying unnecessary force. So there is no need to apply such force while you are playing tabla. Tabla can be played with more comfort. It can be played easily. Just lower down your shoulders, lower down your elbows, and as I told earlier, sit straight, and with the help of wrist, play tabla without stiffness, with comfort. Play the tabla. Second problem is also another issue. People, while playing tabla, they get cone in their hands, some itching in the finger, in the palm, and also tearing of skin is an issue. So I suggest not to wash your hands right before tabla playing and right after you are done with your practice or playing. Keep your hands dry, they should not be wet. And if in any case you get cone and you have a performance ahead, you can use a bandage to cover that portion, and you can apply some lotion, and it will be much better if you avoid playing tabla when you are injured and your fingers are not well. Digestion problem is another issue with the tabla players. So I suggest not to eat food at least 1 hour before tabla playing, and there should be a gap of 15 to 30 minutes in food after tabla playing. So you can have juice, you can have lukewarm water when you are playing tabla, but avoid cold water and cold drinks. You can do yoga to have good digestion. That will also help you to play good tabla. The fourth and the most common problem that most of the musicians face while playing their instrument is fatigue and boredom. Like you are playing one thing again and again, again and again. So it becomes monotonous, and it's become boring sometimes. So I suggest you cannot force yourself too much, and you cannot increase your practice time suddenly. So you can do one thing: play the bowl for 10 minutes, especially for the beginners. Play a particular bowl for 10 minutes, and then take a break, go outside, have some drink, and then again sit, play for 10 minutes, and then again take a break, and then 10 minutes. So gradually you can increase the time of your practice, then 15 minutes, then 20 minutes, and you can definitely get rid of this thing. I think this will definitely help you. Thank you very much.